Election day is just 5 days away, but with COVID numbers on the rise, the health department is urging everyone to stay safe while still practicing their civic duty. 3 News 9 reporter Alyssa Curtis has more on how to vote safely.
Vote, but do so as safely as possible. COVID numbers in Nebraska are rising, but Election Day is important to get your voice heard, but to avoid getting COVID, the health department says to continue safety precautions at the polls.
Maintain separation like that, wear a mask, clean your hands when you get done with stuff.
Try to maintain distance while in line. Election Commissioner Brian Cruz said social distancing has been hard with the amount of people waiting in line. But Election Day may be different.
We're expecting about 70% of folks to vote early, so that only leaves about 30%, which is about 78,000 folks we predict to vote on Election Day, spread out over 203 polling places around the county. So the social distancing should be a little bit easier to obtain on Election Day.
In order to help those who are in line voting be as safe as possible, polling locations will be handing out brand new pens to everybody. They will also have face masks, hand sanitizer, and wipes available.
I know we're all getting tired of doing some of these things, extremely tired, but wearing a face mask is still one of your best protections. Hand washing or using hand sanitizer is going to be incredibly important.
If you do have COVID or are experiencing symptoms, Cruz asks not to come to the polls. Instead, have someone pick up a ballot for you.
So they can have a friend or family member come to our office even through Election Day up until 7 p.m. and that friend or family member can get a ballot for them. They can act as an agent for them.
In Omaha, Alyssa Curtis, 3 News Now.
And if you have a mail-in ballot and have not sent it in, you can drop it off to any of the official ballot boxes. Doing so will not only save you time, but it will also lessen the amount of people at the polls.